और एरियल योगा के बारे में बताएं कि एरियल योगा
काम की बात करते हैं।
हाँ, एरियल योगा में आप कैसे आई और एरियल योगा क्या है?
सो एरियल योगा एक प्रैक्टिस है जो हम बाली से सीख के इधर लाए हैं। I received my certification from Ubud, Bali quite a few years ago, and we thought we would bring a new concept to Pakistan, and so far people are really loving it.
Someone who hasn't done yoga वो कर सकता है एरियल योगा?
Yeah, it's totally open to all levels.
और एज, वेट, कोई restrictions है?
It can carry up to 1,000 kilos, so we're okay.
एंड अगर कोई 80 साल का है या 70 साल का है वो
It's
करना
highly not recommended.
Okay. So, who's our instructor today?
Oh my God, our instructor is the amazing Noor, जिन्होंने अपनी certification Toronto से की है, and now I will let you.
ठीक है, नूर के लिए I'll just can I do this?
Of course.
Hello नूर, कैसी हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
So नूर, I'm good. I'm really excited because मैं योगा कर चुका हूँ, so I have a fair idea, but aerial yoga मेरे लिए बहुत नया है.
A lot of people get intimidated. They think that ये क्या है, कैसे कर सकते हैं, but it can be simple and easy if you just follow the instructions and listen to your body.
जैसे आप सब लोगों को पता है, मैं तो एक्सरसाइज में प्रो हूँ, तो मेरा लेवल ही कुछ और है, एडवांस. तो मैं ऑब्वियसली क्लास भी एडवांस लोगों के साथ लूँगा. सो मैंने उनको बोला कि स्पेशली कि मुझे है ना, जो आपके सीनियर सबसे ज़्यादा एरियल योगा वाले लोग हैं, उनके साथ मेरी क्लास है. हेलो, कैन आई बी हियर? इधर भी कटा दिया. आस्ता आस्ता मुझे पीछे बिठा देंगे ये लोग. कोई मुझसे दोस्ती नहीं करना चाह रहा, नहीं, मैं इससे बात करनी. हेलो गाइस, हेलो, माय नेम इज अली. व्हाट्स योर नेम? हेलो, यस, आरियाना. ओके, आरियाना. Oh, Ariana Grande. Yeah, of course. She's my. Do you like her songs, Ariana Grande? Do you like her song? Oh. Hello, I'm Ali. It's my birthday today. Thank you. I expect gifts. No problem if anybody wants to give me a gift.
Roll your shoulders back and forth one way, and then roll them the other way. Now shake your legs, roll your ankles, do like big kicks. Do your right foot, then do your left foot. And shake your right foot again. Now let's try making some circles. So take the silk and wrap your hands around it twice. And then try to make some circles with your hips. You can keep your feet down or you can keep your feet up. Try to go round and round. Don't bump into the next person. So stand on the silk. One foot, then the second foot. Ali, are you ready?
Yeah.
Now we're going to do a Buddha pose. Let your arms out. Shake your arms out. And then stand. Yeah, you're right. You got it. So you stand and bend your feet. Keep your feet together and bend your knees so your knees are in the back. Then bring one shoulder over and one shoulder. So yeah, Ali, your silk has to be tight. It can't be open up like that. And then once you do that, you can hold on to the silk and go upside down. One shoulder forward, then the other shoulder forward. Then try to balance like a Buddha. And now you can balance here like a Buddha.
मुझे सुना के गई है, पता नहीं क्या. तुम अपना कर लो. सही कर रहा हूँ. बहुत मैं relaxed feel कर रहा हूँ.
So like you start laying like this with the silk on your hips. You pull it back, you lean back, then take your legs and wrap them around the silk. Then pull up above your hands. Yeah, above your hands. Yeah. Oh, it has to be behind your hip. So do it like from here. Now lean back. Now put your leg and wrap it around from here. No, the other way. So stay like this. Now take your leg and wrap it from the outside. Yeah, like this. Now try to do the other one as well. Whoa, but make sure it's like around your hips. I think it's moved up a bit. So it should be tight around here. Did it. Look, Ali did a goddess pose. Let's all give him a clap. That's a very hard pose to do on your first try. You can do double goddess too. Do you want to show double goddess? Okay, now Nafisa is going to do double goddess if you want to try that.
So, what's your name?
My name's Batul.
Batul?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys are friends?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Zoya.
You've been together since KG too?
Yes, yes, yes.
Goddess pose! Triple goddess! You got it! Oh, quadruple goddess! Oh my god! Oh bhai! Oh wow! Spider-Man! The Spider-Woman! Wow! Wow! Do you...
Okay, I'll help you guys all in turn. Okay, so now your feet are covered. Now put both hands here. No, take it like that. Now take your shoulder. Turn. Okay, I'll play internet girl after this. Okay, so hold it. Go take your shoulder on this side.
मेरे गांव में हम इसमें बच्चा रखते हैं और उसको योगा झूला देते हैं। यहाँ पे ये पूरा योगा कर रहे हैं इस पे। तो अगर आप गांव में रहते हैं तो आपके पास ये होगा तो आप अपना गांव में योगा कर सकते हैं इजीली। बच्चे को निकाल के, ऐसे नहीं कि बच्चा पड़ा है आप ऊपर चढ़ रहे हो। तो ये भी एक
Okay, so sit on the silk.
from the back or the front?
Either way, it doesn't matter.
Okay. Sit
On the front. Okay, now rotate around so that you get like a bit of this cross. Okay, Rada, too much.
Too much.
Yeah, so now pull it closer, like put your hands here. And then pull your hands so that the cross is not too much. Wait.
Okay.
Take your shoulders out. So turn. You're gonna get a cross here.
Yeah.
And now try bringing your legs through it. Like lean back. Lean back and then your legs have to go through this. Yeah, one leg, one foot, then the other foot. Yeah, now keep pushing so you go upside down. Push. Yeah. Your legs have to go straight through.
Oh.
Okay, you're heavy, sorry. Are you okay? You're doing like a modified goddess.
Oh no.
No. Your legs don't have to wrap around, like let go.
Okay.
So just leave your legs like this. Now just push. Push this way. Just push forwards. Ow. Something like it, yeah. Okay, you got like a handstand. Close enough. Wow, cool.
मैं बेहोश होने वाला था।
Yeah, she's doing a ninja pose. Wow. Good job. That is a very hard pose.
I also have a move. This is the Dadu shake. It's called yeah. No Dadu shake? It's cool, it's happening. It's not? Okay.
Nice job, Nafisa. And Batul, look at you and your unicorn. I love your hair. Flying ninja, do you want to come demo it? Come, Nafisa's gonna go show us her flying ninja. Okay, Batul, do you need help? Whoa, thank you, Batul. Okay, now we'll have like a flying ninja.
This is called the I just want to sleep, leave me alone pose. Okay? Do not disturb pose. Nobody's interested in my pose. They're like, chup ho ja, uncle. Yes, pull yourself up. Yeah, oh yeah, you got it. You got it. Now you're inside. This is the do not disturb pose. This is leave me alone, I am thinking about my life pose. तो एक स्टूडेंट को तो सिखा लिया. Do you do any other activity or just
I do other stuff.
what do you do?
I used to do paddle.
I'm not that good at it. I'm not that.
I know gymnastics
You know gymnastics? Wow. In school or like somewhere else?
somewhere else.
So you do gymnastics, paddle and aerial yoga.
Yeah.
You stay busy.
And I do dodgeball.
Dodgeball.
I love dodgeball.
What do you like, the hitting people with the ball part?
I like dodging.
Dodging the ball. You're really positive about things. You're not. Nothing bums you up.
Nothing.
Nothing. You're a very happy person.
I'm just into fandoms and all. I listen to like Japanese stuff. I'm like in love with anime.
You love anime. Okay, nice. What kind of anime are you listening to now? Watching nowadays?
Oshinoko.
Oshinoko. Guys, check out Oshinoko. It's recommend. Check out Oshinoko. Tell them.
What?
Tell the people who are watching. Check out Oshinoko.
Check out Oshinoko.
And teaching me how to do yoga. Also, thank you so much. Yasmin and the crew, the cool girl crew, for teaching me dance moves. Thank you so much. I know I'm not that cool. I hope the Dadu Shake catches on, but I am not hopeful. Thank you so much again. Batul and Zoya. Batul and Zoya, 7th grade and 8th grade, but still friends. We can be in different parts of the school, but still love each other. That's a good message for everyone. Thank you, Noor and Rasti, for an amazing class.
It was a very entertaining class with you. Thank you for spending your birthday with us. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Make a wish. Blow the candle.
I wish everyone becomes a pro at aerial yoga.
Wow!
Flexibility.